If there are plenty of women, elder women, I sing the song Love Me.
How does that go?
Treat me like a fool, treat me mean and cruel, but love me. Then I raise funds. I created Sagip Bata when my son was just around 6 years old.
Okay.
From Sagip Bata, free martial arts, he was droga, he was bisyo, he was bully, he was kidnapping. That was the main purpose. But after teaching for so many years, I realized yung mga estudyante kong mahirap pa rin sila. So sabi ko, kailangan ng education. So it took me time.
Okay.
Ganun lang. I was just so what you call this, involved in it. So statistics-wise, to quantify your success, I really do not know.
Okay.
But I have teach more than 5,000 students.
Wow.